Aris. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best on this birthday. And I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud for what have you become. And God bless you more. Wishing you a fantastic birthday filled with love, laughter, and good memories. Enjoy your special day, Aris. And don't forget to celebrate big time. You deserve it. So sending you hugs and kisses, love from Cyprus, and take care always, and hope to see you again soon. Cheers! Happy birthday! Love you! Mwah! By the way, I remember when you call me mommy, it really makes me happy every time you're calling me mommy. I love you, Aris. Take care always.
Happy birthday pala. Sensya ka na, ganito lang talaga itsura ko. Hayaan mo na, pagsagaan mo. Wala naman na masyadong mawi-wish. Kasi, alam ko naman natupad mo na lahat. Siguro kung may mawi-wish man ako sa'yo, good health na lang. And sana magbumpa yung mga gusto mong goal sa buhay. Ayun lang, ingat ka palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Aris! I wish for you to have more and more and more blessings to come. Sana makapag Canada ka na or US para makapag New York. See you soon. Happy 18th birthday. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Aris. Wishing you a wonderful birthday from me and Ash.
Hey Russell, just wanted to greet you a happy birthday. I think we're gonna celebrate when we're both back to Dubai, but the time that you hear this is that you're in the Philippines celebrating with your loved ones. This just goes to say that you're so much loved, so much blessed, and I wish you all the best. I wish all your dreams to come true, and yeah, happy birthday.
Hi Aris, happy birthday. Thank you for being a huge ball of sunshine to everyone. And I hope and I pray that this 40th birthday of yours, may God fill you with strength, wisdom, more generosity, kindness, because you inspire a lot of people around you. Just you being here with us is a huge inspiration for everyone. Thank you for inspiring us to do more, to be more, to be generous, and to enjoy life as God has given us to us. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Aris. Happy birthday, Tito Aris. Hope to see you soon. Mwah!
Hi Aris, happy birthday! It's been really nice getting to know you better through our dinners and travels. You're such easy company. And it's always such a joy traveling with someone who's on a similar wavelength. Early sleeper, chill traveler, always ready to just enjoy the moment. As you enter this new milestone in your life, I would like to share with you a gentle reminder. It's never wrong to enjoy the fruits of your labor. You've earned it. Happy birthday again.
Gulat ka, no? Gulat din ako, kapatid na Aris. Gusto lamang kitang batiin ng isang maligayang kaarawan sa 4 na dekada na pagpapala ng Diyos sa buhay mo. Yan, nag-effort pa ako. Tignan mo naman yung background ko. Kingdom Center dito sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Gusto ko lamang i-declare more yung pagpapala ng Diyos sa Book of Numbers. The Lord bless you. The Lord keeps you. The Lord makes His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face towards you and give you peace. I know that right now, na konti-konti mo nang naabot yung mga pinapangarap mo, and I'm sure with the presence of our Lord Jesus Christ sa buhay mo ay mas lalo kang pagpapalain. Ganyan kabuti ang Panginoon. He will satisfy, He will provide yung contentment na hinahanap natin, even the joy dito sa mundong ito. Muli, isang maligayang kaarawan. Mahal na mahal kita bilang iyong kapatid, at mahal na mahal ka rin ng iyong pamilya, I'm sure. Kaya maligayang bati, and God bless you more.
Happy birthday, Ninong Aris. Happy birthday, Ninong Aris. Happy birthday, dear Ninong. Happy birthday, Ninong Aris.
Wishing you unlimited unlimited happiness and success, Aries. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Aries! We wish for your good health, your family, and your future always.
Hi, Aris. Birthday greetings from Mami Lou and Tito Jose from Tampa, Florida, USA. Have fun!
Hi, Russell. Happy birthday. And may all your dreams come true. And God bless you always.
Hi, Russell. Happy 40th birthday. Wow, big number, 40. I wish you good health, more blessing, more travel, more shopping, new iPhone every year. I hope you enjoy your special day. See you soon. Cheers!
Happy birthday, Russell!
Russell, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Yes, birthday ka pa nga kasi.
Enjoy.
Enjoy, Philippines. Bye-bye.
Hi, Dwayne. Happy birthday. Pasensya na, hindi kami maguguwi. Wrong timing naman kasi.
Kaya nga.
Anyways, more blessings na lang.
Stay healthy.
More shopping.
More travel.
More shoes.
And
More food trip. And bisitahin mo kami dito. Miss ka na namin.
And keep safe. Yun lang.
Lagi. We love you.
Love you.
Miss you.
Bye-bye.
Ingat lagi. We miss you, miss you, miss you. Bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Gurang ka na, be.
Hi, Tita Aris. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Tito Aris.
Happy birthday ko, Ares. Bale, masabi ko lang, tumatanda na tayo. Kailangan natin maging maingat na sa pagkain natin. Workout lang tayo lagi para keep fit tayo. Okay? Ingat ka lagi dyan, Ares. Yan lang. Happy birthday. Best wishes. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa iyong birthday ngayon.
Hi, Ares. Happy birthday. Salamat sa gamot na pigtao mo sa kuya sa Pasko, mga regalo mo kang Pasko. Salamat sa gamot. Sana mag-ingat ka permi sa trabaho. Alagaan mo ang sadiri mo. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Hi Aris, happy 40th birthday. Wow, ang bilis ng panahon talaga. I have a special wish for you. Aside from many more years to come, continuous good health, more blessings and more success, my special wish is that you will finally be approved and be given a visa so you can visit us here in Canada. Nakita mo siguro, kami ni Mami mo naka-sweatshirt na dahil ang lamig na dito, fall na. I know you're going home to the Philippines with Clint, so enjoy your special day with the family. We love you.
Hi Aris, happy 40th birthday, and also thank you so much for all the love, for your kindness, for your thoughtfulness, and for the respect. God bless. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Tito Tonton. You're like 40 now. Congratulations.
Wow.
Tell Tito Clint that next time,
Wow.
if you go on a trip, bring you, because I am sick of him complaining about how much he misses you. Have a great life and eat cake. And yeah.
Happy birthday, Aris.
Happy birthday, bro.
Looking forward to be with you again
For
physically. Enjoy your day. We love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.